Here's your gift from Uncle Chris and Aunt Corki.
Is it nothing? Is it? Oh, I'm afraid to open this. Open your, pretend like it was spiders or something. It's nothing.
It's something, baby.
It's, no. Oh.
Be gentle, be gentle, be gentle.
I'm trying.
Now, if you don't want it, I'll take it.
What was that? I can't see your face.
Ow!
What is it, baby? Are you excited? Oh, are you crying? I told you it wasn't spiders. You gotta show me what it is. Show me, let me see.
How'd you get that?
Uncle Chris hooked you up. You gonna say anything to him?
Thank you.
Because do you love the guys from Teen Wolf? Thanks, guys from Teen Wolf, for sending Alahna the poster that's all signed with your autographs, guys and ladies. Because we love Teen Wolf in this household. See y'all later.